Good morning, humanities students. So this video is going to show you how to find out if you owe assignments or if you have unfinished work. So what I'm going to do is I've posted them all on your team pages. So I'm just going to use cohort 1 and I put it in an announcement, and it says progress report grades by ID number. There's a PDF. It says open the PDF, find your student ID number, identify what is unfinished work for asynchronous. Priority is the African region comparison chart in Discover Water. So I'll click on this, just open in the browser. So when I open this, you might have to sign in like you just saw, but when I open this, you'll see this is the score sheet for quarter 3. So up till now, halfway through, we have formative 1, formative 2, formative 3, summative organizer. If you did the web quest, you need to email it to me. The Nearpod that we did on the regions of Africa, and then the African regions comparison chart. So each formative and the summative are 20 points. You can see that right here. This is where it is. Okay, and then the Nearpod was 100 points, and the Africa regions comparison chart was 100 points. So looking at this student, they have a 0 for formative 1. So if they have time, they might want to do that. But like I said, the priority is the chart and then the Discover Water website. Not a grade on here yet because I'm giving you to tomorrow to finish up. So this student would start with African regions comparison chart. And then they might want to revisit formatives 1, 2, and 3 to increase this grade. The second student here, 129966, they also need to work on formative 1. So when I look over here, they got 100 on the Nearpod, nice job, and they completed the comparison chart, nice job. Only you will know if you need to finish the Discover Water stations work that we started Monday, working on today. That website that has the Discover Water, only you know if you need to finish that. But if you're all caught up, you can go back and work on formatives 1, 2, 3, and the summative organizer. These are back from January, the beginning of quarter 3. So those are kind of like on hold. Get the Africa regions comparison chart done first, as well as the Discover Water Station work done. If that is all current, then you can go ahead and work on these formatives and the summative to help boost your grade. Okay, so I hope that helps. Have a good day.